Every single morning, specialized sealed grain hoppers arrive carrying over 200,000 pounds of ultra-hard amber durum wheat.
This facility exclusively processes only the highest protein durum wheat semolina, a uniquely hard grain specific. Before a single gram enters production, every incoming semolina batch is scientifically stress tested in the lab to measurements. Once laboratory approved, the coarse golden granules travel at extreme velocity through a sprawling, sealed overhead network.
A coarser point is 1 derivative.
Massive rotary metering valves act as the precise heartbeat of the entire ingredient delivery system, pacing the powder flow exactly to the milligram. Only the purest, most mineral-balanced water is permitted to contact the premium semolina, ensuring absolute flavor.
Every incoming ingredient stream is digitally tracked, weighed, and logged in real time against the master recipe formulation.
Inside the colossal twin-shaft mixers, the raw, dry semolina and purified water meet in a precisely controlled
For premium egg pasta varieties, precisely measured pasteurized liquid egg yolk is automatically injected to create form. At precisely calculated hydration ratios, the microscopic wheat proteins begin aggressively absorbing water and cross-linking.
friction from the violent high-speed mixing generates dangerous internal heat that must be strictly continuously monitored.
In exactly 14 controlled minutes, the perfectly hydrated crumbly pre-dough mixture is ready for the extreme mechanical compression of the vacuum extrusion press.
The hydrated granular mixture must now be subjected to the most extreme mechanical forces in the entire facility.
Inside the completely sealed vacuum chamber, twin counter-rotating screws generate over 1,500 pounds per square inch of continuous hydraulic compression pressure. The complete atmospheric vacuum environment removes every last trapped microscopic air bubble, creating an absolutely flawless.
The smooth, dense, golden dough cylinder is hydraulically split and distributed simultaneously to 6 independent die.
The legendary bronze die plates create a uniquely rough, microscopic surface texture on every strand, allowing finished sauce to fiercely.
A heavy, continuous rotary severing blade sweeps across the die face at precisely timed intervals, guaranteeing every.
Each of the 6 independent die stations can simultaneously produce a completely different pasta shape, from delicate angel hair to massive ridged rigatoni tubes.
The complex internal pin and groove geometry of each bronze die plate requires months of precision artisan handcrafting by specialized Italian die-making master craftsmen.
Die plates must be meticulously cleaned and inspected after every 8-hour production run to prevent microscopic buildup that would. The specialized Farfel die station simultaneously extrudes, pinches, and cuts the distinctive bow tie shape.
Every single extruded piece is optically scanned against the master dimensional template, and any piece deviating by
fragile, freshly extruded wet pasta shapes must immediately enter a carefully controlled
The initial gentle pre-drying phase carefully removes only the outermost surface moisture layer, creating a firm.
The pre-drying temperature is kept deliberately low and the humidity deliberately high to prevent the catastrophic surface.
shortcut pasta shapes require a fundamentally different pre-drying approach than long goods, using horizontal vibrating mesh belts rather than vertical hanging rod systems.
For instance, the temperature-humidity balance inside the pre-dryer is the single most critical variable, controlled to within 1/10 of a degree.
Engineers continuously monitor the moisture gradient between the pasta surface and core, ensuring the drying front.
If the pre-dried surface develops any microscopic stress cracks at this stage, those invisible fractures will catastrophic.
The delicate handoff between pre-dryer and main dryer must be mechanically flawless, as the partially dried pasta is at The main drying tunnel operates continuously at precisely calibrated extreme temperatures, methodically.
Highly trained drying specialists constantly patrol the tunnel perimeter, watching for any visual signs of uneven drying.
The progressive dehydration concentrates the golden semolina pigments, transforming the pale raw dough into the characteristic.
The finished bone-dry pasta cannot simply be immediately cooled. A carefully controlled, gradual multi-hour
The final moisture content must land precisely within a 0.5% tolerance window. Too dry and the pasta becomes
A perfect dried spaghetti strand must snap cleanly with a sharp audible crack, revealing a uniformly dense amber cross-section with
Final mechanical sorting vigorously separates the dried pasta into premium-grade whole pieces and off-spec broken fragments destined for lower-grade commercial food service bulk packaging.
The Golden Dried River now faces the most unforgiving automated quality checkpoint in the entire facility before
A single discolored, cracked, or dimensionally non-conforming piece is instantly, ruthlessly blasted from existence.
Only absolutely aesthetically flawless, structurally perfect, and safety verified dried pasta pieces are
even instrumental chemical analysis is deployed to verify that the drying process has not generated any undesirable off-flavor.
The golden cascade flows downward into the precision weighing system, where advanced algorithms will calculate
The advanced multi-head combination weigher is the mathematical brain of the packaging line, calculating the optimal bucket.
The vibrant printed packaging film displays the iconic brand imagery, nutritional information, and barcode that can.
A specialized forming collar forces the flat printed film into an endless cylindrical tube, while heated fin seal bars continue.
The heated cross-seal jaws perform three critical functions in a single violent motion, sealing the filled bag shut, creating the
This single packaging hall operates 12 parallel high-speed lines simultaneously, collectively producing
Industrial laser date coders permanently etch tracking data directly into the package surface material, guaranteeing absolute. Every single package is independently weighed at full line speed. Any unit deviating by more than 2 grams from the target weight.
Statistical sampling inspections verify that the automated systems are maintaining precise weight accuracy, correct piece counts, and zero presence of any broken or foreign pieces. Automated Delta robot arms load the fragile sealed packages precisely into protective shipping cases at rates exceeding 60 cases per minute per packaging line.
Secondary tape reinforcement provides additional critical seal integrity for the long-duration shipping journey from the factory to regional distribution centers across the country.
The centralized robotic palletizing cell receives sealed shipping cases simultaneously from all 12 packaging lines.
The palletizing algorithm calculates an optimized interlocking layer pattern specific to each case size, creating a structurally
Multiple layers of heavily pre-stretched industrial plastic wrap transform the loose stack of individual shipping cases into a single rigid, unified, transport-ready monolith.
The finished wrapped pallet receives a final standardized shipping label containing the complete contents manifest, weight,
Churchers. The enormous climate-controlled finished goods staging hemming warehouse simultaneously holds over 20,000 completed pallets. The autonomous warehouse vehicle fleet operates entirely without human drivers, using embedded AI navigation to safely and automated shipping logistics operate around the clock to ensure that finished pasta products reach regional distribution centers within 48 hours of production completion.
From the elevated nerve center high above the roaring production floor, process engineers simultaneously monitor.
Even a fraction of a bar of pressure variation at the extruder die face can noticeably alter the finished pasta surface texture.
The master status board provides an instant, comprehensive visual overview of the entire facility's operational health.
Rigorous predictive preventive maintenance schedules ensure that every critical machine component is inspected and replaced before. Decades of specialized hands-on experience allow veteran machine operators to perform complex material changeovers at
Absolute rigorous food safety hygiene protocols are non-negotiable. Every worker must complete the full multi-stage
Daily structured maintenance planning meetings ensure critical preventive tasks are prioritized and resourced correctly across all active production lines before the shift begins.
The fully autonomous extrusion presses require only minimal remote monitoring supervision during the overnight graveyard shift.
One single solitary, highly trained senior process engineer commands the entire massive autonomous production facility completely alone through the long, isolated overnight shift until dawn. Millions of sealed consumer packages march relentlessly forward toward the dark shipping warehouse without a single pair of living human eyes watching their journey.
Some interest. The colossal raw material storage silos drain steadily downward through the depth of night, continuously feeding.
Even during the deepest, quietest hours of the graveyard shift, the facility automatically, effortlessly maintains its absolute
trees. An eternal, unstoppable golden river of pure, dried Italian tradition flows relentlessly forward through the darkness.
From raw golden semolina wheat to a flawless, perfectly dried consumer package, the massive, intricate, fully automated choreography. Modern, robotic, masterful precision engineering has brilliantly transformed humble, ancient grain pasta making into a genuine. One single tiny perfect package of authentic dried pasta, miraculously born from a staggering 3 million total units created in this facility today alone. This mammoth, fully automated facility stands as an undeniable testament to the truly staggering, practically unimaginable raw power of modern precision mass food production technology. The golden river of authentic dried pasta flows endlessly on through day and night. This single facility maintains a vault of over 300 unique bronze die plates, each one handcrafted by Italian artisans.
Every new production batch is cooked and taste tested by trained sensory evaluation specialists who objectively score the pasta against
corals. The climate-controlled storage facility maintains consistent low temperature and humidity conditions to ensure the dried pasta maintains. Each departing fully loaded trailer carries enough finished pasta to supply an entire major metropolitan area supermarket chain for one complete week. From above, the sheer breathtaking scale of this singular pasta production facility becomes truly comprehensive.
The cycle continues endlessly. As one exhausted shift departs, having produced millions of perfect packages,
and so the ancient eternal cycle begins once more, raw golden grain entering one end, perfect human nourishment emerging endlessly from the other.